This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Warren Pineda. Welcome to 3227 East 5th Avenue. 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Knoxville and walking distance to Children's Science Museum Muse Knoxville and Chilhowee Park. This Craftsman Style home has been restored to beauty while preserving natural hardwood floors and custom wood details. Custom oversized front door opens to spacious living room complete with original fireplace and writing desk from 1905. Updated kitchen with brand new tile, shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances and connection to the laundry area. All 3 bedrooms are generously sized. The owner's suite features large walk-in closet, extra coat closet, double vanity sinks, tiled shower, and plenty of room for up to a king-sized bed. Hall bath features a tiled bath. Additional storage space available in unfinished walkout basement. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Warren Pineda at 865-342-4200.